What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video is a full tutorial on how to fix your mirror on your F250 2008 to 2016, so let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pull this cover off. It just clips off like so. Now what you're going to do is take a 7mm nut driver and remove those two bolts on the bottom of the door panel. Go ahead and plug your switch back in so you can roll your window down if you're doing this by yourself. So what you're going to be looking for is that plug right there, disconnect it. Now you're going to take your 7/16 nut driver, your deep socket, and remove these three nuts. I'm going to do it from bottom to top.